Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Trading Maze. Uh, yeah, let's start. Let's start the session. Yeah, ignore this. I just took a power trade. That's not. But yeah, I did took this trade, but just was seeing how this works. But yeah, so yeah, I think the news has come and it's actually same as I expected. 3.57 ka hai, 3.75 is what we got, and what we forecasted also, and that's what we got. And so I think DXY is bullish, so gold should be bearish. Just after, I thought it would come till here, but anyway, so ignore this. Let me take this out. Hmm. It's selling actually. Okay, so selling. I want a good selling point. This is not that good level because 50% is somewhere here. So let me wait. Give me a second. Okay, DXY is up 1%. Gold will fall. Gold will fall. So because see DXY is up, but gold is up also. It can't be both. So and this is a high volume situation. Let's take a trade after this breakage. Is it? यहाँ से buy stop लगा के we can try that. Sell stop 60 का risk. Nowadays risk is very high, guys, and also reward is also very high because market has moved very much. Yeah, double bottom say there is some increment, but I don't think that should last because DXY is not going that up. Have to, yeah, this could have been a buying trade until I'll tell you. Oh, so I was taking this trade as a before I was put a trade with a 60% level ka. It is a good trade. It is a good trade. It's not now. This also is a buying scalp. I don't know. Maybe this could be better, but let me put out pull out this. Yeah. So I told you it was somewhere around here. Hmm. Yeah, buy. We should have entered buy, but DXY is going up. It's a very risky trade to take, but we could have risked small buy. Not the one I was in. That's a different buy. That's news. I was trying to catch some news trading. But enough of that. Let me place a limit order for selling. Hmm, okay. So you can see that. See double bottom of always works. So yeah, the movement will be fast. 50% I think is no time. You can buy from. Let me give you a context where you could buy from. Maybe 50% retest if some candle does 50% का retest of this. 280 का retest अगर कोई करता है तो ले सकते 282 97 एटलीस्ट 150 pips we can capture. So 280 का retest after good closing is what I would need in 5 minute time frames. I think that's the only this the lowest we can go. That's the lowest time frame we can go right now. And 1 hour candle actually opened. Maybe it's giving a top wick. Hmm. Still, I think it should. Let me do reverse Fibonacci analysis. Well, that's happening. So reverse Fibonacci would say 260 would be the buying point. Interesting. There can be a scalp at 260 if it falls right from here. It falls right here only. It doesn't go to this level, this 50% level. Then is we can buy from 260. There's a possibility of buying from 260. But more importantly, uh, it can go lot further than that. So ignore this rate right now also, because that should have been fast, because I thought after the volume it has faced, it should have been fast. DXY is actually bullish, guys. Actually bullish. So I would say that gold will be bearish, but after a certain point. So it will go to, I don't know, here 5,300 maybe, and it will fall. But today it needs to fall because 1.8% increase on a 1% increase of DXY is very huge, and that normally doesn't happen. So I think that would be the case, that we won't be ending up with that. Um, Selling scalp could be taken, but not sure, because it could be a bottom wick or a top wick of 1 hour time frame. So well, let's wait for it. Wait for it. Let's wait for it. And actually, gold was bullish. Gold is bullish in the last few days. January expected bullishness, but yeah, a lot of it's quite bullish. It's I think it's the most bullish I've seen gold. Give me a minute, guys. Mm, let's also do another analysis. I want another analysis here. Sorry for the interruption, by the way. So there's another analysis we could do. This whatever new high was formed. From here, I can draw Fibonacci, and I'll then we can try this, guys. 284 से let's try selling. Workout होगा नहीं. I really don't know, but we can try. Let's try, guys. Hmm. Yeah, I entered just now. 285 4 पे entered हुआ. Sorry, 284 पे I entered. 285 पे कर सकते हो आप. 285, yes. There's bullishness in gold, not gonna lie. Hmm. See, two possibilities. One is, okay, let me take out all of this. What is happening? I'll place that trade that we're doing right now. 85. Ideally. Mm, So what are the possibilities? Let me tell you what are the possibilities, right? So mm, let me tell you what are the possibilities. First is no, no, not this one as well, of course not. Let's have 50 whips cursor. Yeah, we can be risk free, right? Be risk free also if you can. But I know the market is very fast. I don't know how much it's possible for us to do the risk free, but let's hope we can get that. Mm, already too much SL I have given. Mm, bullish momentum. See, I'm seeing bullish momentum, guys, because when DXY is going up, I am not seeing any movement in gold. See, yeah, bullish momentum is there. I think let's try this same trade. I know we lost 50 pips, but that's fine. Uh, Same trade. Let's do it. So buying कर लेते हैं ना यहाँ तक तो. Let's do buying ना. Let me tell you where. It's a double top का thing. Here 283 पे buying we could do. Hmm. We can recover most of it. I mean 50% का ही है. We can recover it. Just a minute. Hmm. Interesting. Anyway, close. Let me see 15-minute candles as well. See, it's fast. It's fast. So scalp it here. Scalp at 296. I mean, I don't have to tell you guys, but do scalp at 296. Mm, let's see. Would it take it out whole of it? Yeah, that's another possibility. Let's wait for it. Wait for it. Because gold is very bullish. That's why I see even DXY. I don't DXY is bullish today, but gold hasn't given any downside movement. It could give us. See, risky scalp. Could do it, but risky scalp. You can try though. In 50 whips though, I think you should get. Where is what is it? 297. So give only 10-15 whips ka risk. You can capture more than that. See, that is why I was telling you. Okay, bye guys. Bye. Bye bye bye. Bye. Not bye. Bye bye. There's some pattern I found. That's why I told you bye. Bye guys. Mm, yes. 30 whips ka. 30 whips we are up. Let's do this only. I know it's a little confusing, but this the trade 297 per we entered. Because after this closing, I know this is imminent. I mean, come on, the closing is very good. So be risk free if you're in this trade. Should work. This trade should work out. And not 180 waves to be honest. So I don't know. Hmm. 140 pips should be easy. रिस्क थोड़ा बढ़ा भी सकते हो because I don't think it's going down. See, our SL was good, right? How much was 25 pips, ka, but I saw 30 pips anyway. So 46 pips up, guys. 750 pips up, not 50 yet. Yeah, 50 will be up in okay 300 ka level hai. Sorry, I've not seen that. 302, 300 का level है. 302 तक गया है तो I'm not very worried about it. Can you watch 4 hour time frame once? 4 hour time frame. Hmm. 325, 326. Fine, 226. Something is there. Understand that, but the bottom it made na 268 ka just now. A very good bottom. We need no convincing for that bottom to make this green candle. Or unless DXY goes to the moon. Even it is to the moon today. Even though that, see, it is has recovered a lot, but still gold is pumping like crazy. Tells you what potential the gold has. See, the same thing I was talking about. Look at the charts. Look at the fair value gaps. I think only one a gap up where only one has covered until now. There's a gap here. Yeah, a lot of gaps, a lot of fair value gaps as well. But gold is not caring about anything, to be honest. It's in its own way, and actually, are we into consolidation? Because to me, it looks like if we are into consolidation, it's probably the sign to go into selling. Hmm. I think my trading view got stuck. I don't know. Sometimes trading view does this. I do have one of the best laptops though. Let me and get back. Give me a second. I hope you're in the trade still. It's going well. It's alright. It's at entry, I think. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I told you to increase the stop loss a little bit. I think we should have increased it a little bit. I have not put a stop loss, so I did not understand that. But yeah, this is a good trade, guys. I mean, you can stay in this trade. We can. You're already risk free for 30 pips. It's only 20 more pips. You can be in this trade. But three, okay, there's a red candle there. So that's a good thing actually. So this might become auto block for the next. So this candle, which is going to form, will decide the significance of this candle, and I think it will be uh, pro to us, and we should get our profits. 140 waves, I think, shouldn't be that difficult at all. As long as 5300 is not so that will also happen. 5300, see, 301 पे चला गया directly because 5300 currently is not a round number for it. Maybe in the future it might become, So until that happens, we are free, and we are good to go with this one. I mean, this trade I've seen lot of times. So I'm telling you, because after this kind of candles, we do buyers do expect selling candles so that they can buy. But what usually happens is market does not give them a chance. You have to just uh, take the chance on yourself and enter, and that's what we did. And that's not, see, we were discussing here only. So if it's a double bottom, I know, because we were seeing there was a bullish momentum in gold. Even the DXY is also moving up. So the news only gave volatility. It gave only volatility. Everything else is out of is what gold or whatever other things are doing. It's gold's fundamental bullishness. Uh, don't be scared with this one, but we should have a strict stop loss though. It's not like we're going to keep extending our stop loss. Let me check. Let me check. Wait. Maybe 300 is a good level. Hmm. Oh, sorry, I was not present. Sorry, guys. I'm just trading you. What is it doing? It's confusing us. Yeah. You can stay in this, guys. You can stay in this. Just, I know the risk is a little higher than expected, but a lot of potential in this trade. DXY is giving a bullish momentum. That's why gold is giving this. Okay, maybe 15-minute, but it wants to show a red candle. That's entirely fair. So, yeah, there's a red candle here. That red candle is enough. Then it can go along the way, and 320. 320 is easy, guys. 320 is easy. There's no, blocker to it. Stay in the straight. Told you to stay in the straight. I know risk is a little high, but see the volatility, no? Because the volatility of gold is like that. Actually, I saw a 5-minute candle, which was just before. Yeah, this one, which was 700 pips. My God, guys, that's what we are doing. See, 298, 302, 235, almost 700 pips. So that is how gold is doing its whatever. See, the same thing. This is a big candle, I know. The same thing happening here. So first fair value gap. I think here, this point 307 pay, we could have some resistance. Mm, I don't think we should after, because we just had that already here. That's this one. Okay, okay. I don't want consolidation. This is consolidation, and then finally going into displacement. I just don't want the consolidation to happen. I just want pure moments. And I know that's very difficult for gold to give. Mm, just slightly bigger than we thought. I know we've been free for 30 40 pips, but this is a good trade, guys. I mean, maybe this trade alone itself wouldn't work out, maybe, but the same trade, if in any other situation, I'm ready to take it 99 times out of 100. Hmm. Maybe our entry was very fast. We should have entered a little later. No, it was perfect. It was perfect. We should have entered there only. I don't think we could have entered anywhere else. But yeah, bad luck today. Hmm. Should. Hmm. This is concerning because I gave 80 pips still. I'm still in this trade because of some confirmation. But DXY. Let's see. Still, we should have a 50% blocker. Yeah, see, 50% always works out. But yeah, I'm still in this, but I will get out. Mm, need a good movement towards the upside so that it will give me an out. Mm, but my intuition is saying we can uh, buy, guys. Let's see. Actually, Powell is speaking, I know, but I don't think he would be speaking about that the case that has been filed on him, and I think that's one of the most reasons that the rates have not been cut. Hmm. FOMC press conference is on at 1 a.m. There's still movement possible, guys. It's not like the movement is over because there is no movement to gold. There's no movement at all. There's still movement possible in gold, and that will come. I think we should just wait for it. You would think, yeah, FOMC का हो गया है. It's not over. It's still there. अभी only 1 o'clock. It's been only 1 o'clock. So stay tuned for this. Hmm. See, I'm telling you guys, this is a good trade, but we just have just that bigger SL. It's like a 1:2. This could give us this as well, 300 bits ka. But as I told you, I think 15 minutes means wants to show a red candle. Yeah, 50 seconds to go. I think we'll know then what to do about it. Wouldn't recommend, guys. Wouldn't recommend staying in this trade with me. Uh, but it's a good trade. That's all I can say. Hmm. Oh, I'm out, guys. I'm out. No, I'm still in. Hmm. I think FOMC. I think Paul is saying something. Okay. Anyways, so I think we should go into selling, guys. Selling में चलेगा क्या? चले? 5 minutes. Fine. So selling, guys. Selling. Let's selling. ठीक है. कर लो कहाँ पे मिला कर लो. कर लो यार सेलिंग कर लो. अभी तक मेरा ऑर्डर भी नहीं लगा. 80. थोड़ा वेट करो. 85 पे. In 60%. Okay, let's wait. Wait for a minute. That's selling only. यहाँ से कर ले क्या? Give me a minute. Hmm. Good sell, guys. Good sell. Scalp, scalp. Scalp. Mm, we'll observe both of them. This closing. Let's see how much good of a closing will it be. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Why is it closed? I just entered. Let's go, guys. Come on. 50, 60 whips up. Whips are like very crazy. I think we should uh, decrease our quantities. Sharper entries are very difficult. Even I think 50% ka scalp will and be risk free, guys, in this one. 50% ka scalp is also worth 100 pips sometimes, which is very lot. It's a lot of amount, and this 22% you're saying in gold is also a lot because it's 2% on 5,000. It's broken 5,000 like anything. I mean, expected because we expected that because ki 5,000, uh, everybody expected 5,000 to be a good level, which in turn made it not very good level. So I think इसका भी risk भी जाएगा हमारा. Today gold wants to play with us, but there's some pips left out. Hmm. लेगा यार इसको फिर. ठीक है, I mean it's like scalping to me. ऊपर नीचे ऐसा ऐसा scalp करना है. This is the market is telling me to scalp 50 60 pips. That is the only thing now I can do, but I know that's not the case. Uh, there's more than that. Hmm. Hmm. Where is the moon? Because I want to know, is it upside, is it downside? But a lot of my intuition is telling downside. Downside कर लो करके. Something is telling me that it's downside trade करके. Hmm. But very difficult for me to understand. Where to sell from is very difficult POV. But I'll tell you where I would bet myself on would be this. This would where I would bet myself for the next selling. $307. 50% got see. This was the I think the 50% test that we wanted. It was here. Okay, that's a different one. This was the one that I wanted. स्कैल्पिंग के लिए यही है, करो स्कैल्प ऐसा ही करना है. दिस इज हाउ यू स्कैल्प. I don't know about you guys, but this is how you should scalp. Same way, 307 पे will try a sell. Mm, because, and this could be a very big trade, guys, because this is not on price action alone. It's on uh, it's on intuition. Not only intuition, it's on saying कि DXY has gone up. Gold has to show some kind of a resistance in itself. So taking that into consideration, this could be a potential ally to us. That's all it represents. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. And DXY is falling right now, and the gold took that opportunity, and the gold is going up. And that's like we already know that. 307 pay. Should we wait for a 1 minute trade? That will be much more. No? Let's sell. Sell कर देते हैं. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. And after this 5 minute closing shouldn't happen about the highs that are presented. If that's the case, then I'm okay with it. I'm okay, and we can go with it. Still did not come to that level. Just missed it. Don't do this to me now, gold. Came to okay. 7 pips ka 7 pips is what it left out. Maybe should we downgrade our entry a little bit. But this will be the last trade of the session, and probably for today. But I think there is a movement incoming, probably in the downside, because I told you my intuition. 325, which it fell from, is not a great level, but it could give us some kind of information. So 325, I would expect it will fall till 250, right? But how much did it fell? 269. 250 is where here. So that is the expectation, and that should be done. So missing this trade, we could have been risk free. Mm, missed this trade by 3 pips, guys. Let's see if this candle is worthy of it. But closer happened actually is a buying trade, and this kind of closings happen. So closing, so ठीक है. So this 5 minute will tell a lot of story to us. So let's see if 307 pay will give us any kind of resistance. We can take this trade. Sorry for that. We need this, guys. 307 पे कर दें. 307 पे. Let's go. Ballistic. Right. हम्म, सेल में तो कवर हो जाएगा. So we'll know from this 5 minute candle only. I would not. I don't think it will close above 314 because which where is our where our SL is. So almost there, guys. Sell कर दिया तो fine, but yeah, I have my order did not respond to it. Hmm, have I entered? Still 5 pips to go. 5 pips. दे दे भाई, 5 pips दे दे. हाँ, एंटर्ड. अरे, अरे भाई, क्या हो गया? रिस्क फ्री कर दो भाई, रिस्क फ्री कर दो. You would not believe how my entry happened. How good my entry was. मैंने रखा 606.8 पे. And wow, that was crazy. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. It has touched the 607. In the chart is not showing it. 607 पे तक आया है and it went down. Be risk free, guys. Be risk free in the trade. Let's see how much it can give us. Uh, yeah, this is totally institutional intuition पे कर रहा हूँ. So let's see. It's coming back, but we are risk free. So second time करने पे थोड़ा risk हो सकता है. Be aware of that. Anyways, this is a good trade. So DXY is up. Let's see that. Okay. DXY has given us a downside moment. So that's why we have this movement in gold, this recovery in gold. But I think this 5 minute closing depends everything. We are risk free, but this 5 minute closing, if it happens above this also, 301 होता है तो भी it's a fail. So probably it's good to get out of this trade because then we can look for buying only. But buying पे यहाँ पे जैसे engulfing बना है, we can buy because here also there was engulfing, but it went up anyways. But we don't see a lot of see. So fair value gap का cover यहाँ पे हो गया है. बस this 1 minute पे it will decide कि what gold wants to do. Maybe it will take our risk free, guys. I feel like it's going to take our risk free. 30 pips से बच गया है. Hmm, वो only 30 pips से बच गया है. ठीक है, let's see. Because as I told you, this closure makes most important in this. And 325 being a good level, maybe it could be broken. Hmm, 30 से बच गया फिर भी. मेरा मेरा तो कितना रखा, कितना है? 13.4. या फाइन. 60 का रिस्क दिया था. लेट्स सी गाइस. आई थिंक या closing above 4, so we should get out of this trade. Find a good place to be getting out of this. Probably at the entry, or maybe uh, entry is the, I think, fine thing. I've got out. You can get out of the entry, and yes, I'm out. So this now, I mean, now you think there's no buying, selling, but there might be a selling candle here, but that's just not our trade. So here, it's not like it will go from here only. Possible, but here it will make a red candle, then only it will go. Red candle in 5 minutes, or a very good candle in 15 minutes. Let me see. 15 minutes में, yeah, see, this closing is not what we needed. ऐसे closing पे तो कौन करेगा? Our SL did not hit, but we took it out at the entry. Hmm, let's. I mean, this is a buying trade actually now. Now what this becomes is a buying trade from 306 say, but still 5 minutes, 15 minutes में it's a buying trade. But 5 minutes में there should be a 5 minute का red candle. Then we can plan to do that. But there is still, I think, volatility है. Volatility, see, volatility तो है इधर. So this can push gold towards 3,400, maybe 3,050, 3,000, I mean, sorry, 5,400 or 5,350. That's a quite good possibility. And there is a trend line here, 350 bol raha hai. So I think would consider this from here only. Let's try that as well. But yeah, risk freeze all around. I can see that. This can be our 500 pip trade. So now 500 pip and 1000 pips are just like 100 pip trades. Whichever 100 pip trades before we were doing, it's something, it's like that right now. 90 तक करेंगे. Hmm, of course, I would say कि this 180 pips though makes no sense. I mean, let's decrease this. यहाँ तक कर सकते हैं. Is 120 pips still? My God. The SLs, they will kill me. So you should have a revised quantity, guys. You should have a revised quantity. That how SLs, how should we should make SLs, and how we handle that. That we should always have. So now I think, see, as I was telling you, this became a buying trade. 306. I don't know how many of you did that. 100 pips up. I am 100 pips up. But I'm telling you guys this, but I'm with our over quantity say I'm 100 pips up. But I'm telling you what this means is gold was bullish. We understood that before only, but it has to do some dancing here. And now this can give a closing about 27. No, not 27. Only 46 seconds left. I don't think that would do that. But it should give maybe another red candle will have 5 minutes. 5 minutes we should have a red candle because there is an auto block there, right? Or it will make that a breaker block. But if you are entered in the stage, we are 110 pips up currently and going towards this target. But I know the SL was not fixed yet. But I would say be risk free at 110 pips. Maybe we can uh, go go around from that. 140 pips, guys. What I'm getting, because see, this is 5 minutes mouse. I'm getting this many pips. I can't do much about it. No, there will be a red candle. I think after that, at the bottom we pay difficult मिलना है. like अगर मिल जाएगा तो I think you should look into it. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Good trades. I know a lot of risk freeze. 150 pips ka also we did not get it right, but yeah, this trade could be the one. Maybe uh, I don't know, but probably should be the one because gold was bullish all along and 2.75756% up right now. I think it could make a round figure of 3-4% somewhere around that because whole week it's bullish and I think at 5,500 is where gold might give us some kind of restriction, and that would be it. That would be mostly it. Okay. Anyway, guys, bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Please do subscribe to our trading channel, YouTube channel. Please do subscribe to our Telegram channel and trade with Mazen. Take care, guys. Bye bye.